But as I am from finance background, I would say, because I have done my BCA and did my MB also, and since last 10 years I've been working on different analytics side only. But finance was not my subject at all. But and I was little bit apprehensive about it, that whether I'd be able to do it or not. But in two classes, at least I would not say I'm 100% confident, but now I'm at least I'm thinking that okay, I'll be able to at least manage my personal finance first. Then I would go for other finance modeling as well. So that is a good thing which I have learned. So thank you for that.